everyone, I'm Mansi and welcome back to my channel. So you're gonna see a lot of vlogs in recent times because I've been feeling like vlogging a lot. Anyway, this vlog is going to be what my life looks like after 9 to 5. I came back home like half hour ago. I was just getting like freshen up, and then I spent some time on phone. Anyway, it's also Shravan. This month is like Shravan month. It's Hindu religion, so I'm fasting. Basically, I only eat like once a day. So I usually eat in afternoon, so like I don't get hungry later on. And if I get hungry, then I just like snack on like dry fruits or either fruits or something. So I'm going to make lunch for tomorrow. So I'm making ringan bataka tomato no shak, and I already have bhakri, so I don't have to make bhakri. And I also have handvo, which mom made over the weekend, so I'm gonna take that also for the lunch. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll see what else I'm doing today. Don't have a lot of things to do. Also, I didn't do my journal this morning, so I might end up writing my journal as well, so I'll take you guys along with that. I need this pressure cooker, so I'm just gonna wash it. I have to take out my garbage as well, so I'll do that and then I'll start cooking. So the garbage is taken out. Also need to wash my lunch boxes, to wash my hands also. I am little bit hungry, to be honest, so we are gonna eat mango. Use this bowl. Meanwhile, the pressure cooker will also dry, so yeah, we'll just eat mango. Also, I'm fasting. Like, I do fast on Mondays. Like, before, whenever, even like on Mondays, I used to try like not eating anything after I come home. But sometimes your day is very stressful. I don't know if you guys can relate. Like, sometimes my day is very stressful, like the whole day, that when I come home, like all I want to do is eat something. So I've been not fasting, like according to Indian fasting, I'm fasting, but I had went back to things where, like, just drinking water for a day and like surviving. I think even I vlogged like once when I was like during the Navratri, I was fasting. I kind of want to go back to that, like not like every day, but at least once a month. So for the Shravan, this is just a second day, yeah. So yesterday I ate in afternoon. Yesterday I ate in evening. But Monday I wanna try do like fasting, like all the Shravan Mondays at least. I kind of wanna do like just water. So let's see how that goes. So that's what we are eating. I have this weird habit of, like, whenever I'm alone, I like watch something on my phone while eating. So today we won't do that. We'll just enjoy the mango. The mangoes are also really sweet. Nice. I like it. Also, if you guys, any one of you are from like South Gujarat, so I'm from Navsari near Surat. I miss kesar mango, like kesar curry, so much. I don't think I had kesar in last 7 years. I think the last time I had kesar was in 2017 when I went to India in May. I miss kesar. Also, that light is flickering. Like 4 of those lights, only one is working right now. And one of the light automatically starts. It depends on the light's mood. We'll enjoy the mango. I won't bore you guys more. I'm doing such weird things on camera, but like, tell me if you guys are gotlo person or like chiri person, like the slice person, or you cut it and eat it with fork. Whenever I'm home, I like to eat it just how I ate it. I'm not big of a gotlo person because all the resa goes in my teeth and it's so hard to come out. But usually when mom and dad's home, like my mom usually takes the gotlo because she loves to eat the gotlo. I don't really enjoy the gotlo a lot. But today I'm alone, so I'm gonna have to eat it all. Oh, this doesn't look, it doesn't look like it, this has so many resa, so it's good. Reminder to stay hydrated. Drink water, guys, drink water. So we'll just do 2 whistles and good to go. Let's light up some candles, set the mood. So this has 2 candle wicks and I had lit up both last time, but I think one of them went out, so now there is like a hole on one side, which I'm really annoyed about, and there is like a hump here also, which also I'm really annoyed about. Like, I want things in symmetry. I feel like I kind of have OCD, not really, but kind of. Yeah, this is vanilla butter. This is kind of too sweet, but someone gifted me. I think I got it in Diwali, but I have to use it, so we'll go with that. Also, this whistle is not proper, so you just have to go. Time for journaling, and I've got this day by day journal. It's by Lina Fitz. I have been following her on, I have been her subscriber from like not so long, probably like 2-3 months, but I really like enjoy how she explains stuff and like how she motivates. So I bought this journal of hers, so we'll do that. Yesterday also I journaled in the morning, but I ended up not doing things that I was supposed to do, so I need to finish the things from yesterday as well today. So what I wrote is a little personal, but I'll show you guys what this journal is about. So it says day by day journal, so it's basically wellness journey, following, trying to do improve like day by day. So in the front it has like what this journal is about, like how it could help you and stuff. Then it gives you this like morning prompts, self-reflection prompts, goal-oriented prompts, productivity prompts, self-healing prompts, gratitude prompts, self-discovery prompts again, night prompts, um, self-love prompts. So I'll tell you like what it includes. I have this yellow lights on, so you might see my shadow, but so this is like, you can put the date, then if you are doing the journaling at day or night, what is your energy level, how is your mood. Then here it has whatever like I'm grateful for, you can fill that out. Then it has 3 intentional goals to make my day. This good for morning. Also, like if you're doing at night, you can just do what made your day, kind of. That's what I do. Also, this has like daily affirmation, so like self-motivation there, and on each page it has different quote. Like today's quote was, let's see, what you do today can improve all your tomorrows. So it has different quotes on different pages, and here she has given like lines, so if you want to write anything. Here it's like bullet points, so if you want to draw anything or like just doodle something, or even you can write if you want. So yeah, that's how it goes. I really like that it gives the people time to do it at night also, which I used to avoid. This video is turning into a lot of talking, but I feel like I need it. So I'll tell you, this is like my first time at like journaling properly. Before, I used to journal like long time back when I was in high school in India, and what I used to do, I would just like write whatever happened on that specific day, which also takes a lots of time, and I wasn't really like putting an idea on like what I'm grateful for and things like that. Few years ago when I was in college, I used to do, because I was going through a lot of things. So what I used to do, I used to like just write 3 things I was grateful for, and 3 things that could have been better, or that could have changed, or what I would like to change for the next day. So which was a little helpful for me. So I wanted to get back to journaling from long time, and I feel like this journal is kind of like a good starting point. Also, which I really like, that how it has like day and night. So personally for me, I could in the morning, whenever I'm doing the journal, like I would set my goals and I go to work. So it's 8-hour work, but sometimes it just takes longer, and like I'm at work for a long time, and the goals that I've written are not usually like work goals. It's just like my daily life goals kind of things. So when I come back, I'm really tired and I forget what my goals were. So that's what happened yesterday also. Like I did my journaling in the morning, and then by the time I came home, I was just too tired of doing like work stuff. Excuse me. So one thing that I want to do is just like I would go write down whatever things that I wanted to do in the morning, and then when I come back, I would just, all I have to do is just go through whatever I wanted to do and whatever my daily affirmation were on that specific day, and then that could actually motivate me to do things. And for the same day, I can do day whatever, like morning journaling also and evening also if I want. Also, there is like a lot of blank space here, which sometimes I write of some things that I am just like random things that are coming to my mind. So yeah, that's also been a little useful. I'm not doing this every day, so I do wanna make a habit of doing this every day. So yeah, that's the journaling update. So just one of my goal for yesterday actually was to plan videos for Hansi Creations. Hansi Creation is the business that me and my friend Helly run. So I needed to plan whatever the video ideas that I had in mind. So I'm gonna do excuse me, what's happening to me? So I'm gonna do that now. I do have a little bit of cough. I think that's why it's happening. And I also did Vagar of the Shark. So I think it's that. But anyway, I'm gonna plan for I'm just gonna write down the topics that I want to make videos on. So I'm gonna do that for now. And then I also have to start editing a video. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, because I'm like, my voice is not perfect right now, and I have to do voiceover for that specific video. I might edit another video that I don't have to do voiceover for, so we'll see how the editing goes. But yeah, let's do this for now. This is how it looks. also feel I'm going to be sick soon. I started having runny nose. I had cough before. So for now, I'm just gonna finish up my dishes and probably going back to sleep early. I don't know if I'm gonna edit. I don't think I'm gonna edit the video today. I'll probably edit tomorrow. But if I wake up early tomorrow, I'm gonna do workout. I skipped my workout today. So we'll just finish up the dishes and we'll go to sleep early today. We'll take some medicines and Jopesh. We'll open some mails that were here, and it's only 8:36 right now and I'm already feeling tired. Just advertisement, guys, no mails. So I'm so confused on what to do now. Changed into comfy clothes, and I end up doing a lot of things when I'm vlogging, so might as well read. My nose is closed. It's gonna irritate me. Anyways, let's get back to reading. Hopefully I don't drop it. It's around 10:15, 20:20 right now, and finally I'm buzzing off. I need to go to sleep now. We'll end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this random what I did after my 9 to 5 vlog. And if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.